ranger. How's it going?
Excellent.
Good.
Are you guys filming something exciting?
Well, yeah, a little exciting. Well, hello there. It's me, American Boathead, and I got my boat shoved in the back of my wife's car. I'm in the middle of Washington State, and I'm following somebody to a mini boating site. You all know who that is? Let's go. Paul just paid for my pass. Guess the jig is up. You know who I'm riding with today. I'm filming now, but I feel like a lot of YouTube viewers would love to see us.
Finally get together.
Yeah, they live vicariously through us with these boats and stuff. But I definitely feel like for some ways it changes the objective from just boating and experiencing to getting a good video.
So take this in mind, viewer.
Yeah.
We're doing this just for you.
Yeah, we don't want to be here at all.
No.
We're not going to enjoy this. Yeah.
Because, you know, you're our audience.
Yeah.
We make revenue off of you. Yeah, so I was going to bring my boat out for all you out there, but I'm kind of traveling my Prius, and I was going to have it on top of my car, but I ended up not liking that idea because it gets windy out here, so I decided to just bring my little kayak, the fold-up one.
That's bizarre. It's like a suitcase size.
It's kind of a suitcase, yeah. So that's what I'm going to be taking out, but I have yet to see Brian's awesome boat.
Yeah, so that's, you can't really see a lot of the, well, inside you'll see, back here you can see some pink foam, I think.
Yeah.
And so you cover it in glue. I kind of scarred it up for the glue to stick to it.
Glue or...
just wood glue, Type Bond glue. Same stuff though as Gorilla. And then put a layer of the fabric on because it kind of sticks, and then do a couple layers of wood glue with just a paint roller.
Right.
And it kind of creates a little bit of a shell.
That's what I love about, you know, it's all different.
Yeah. You realize when you hang out with other people that do the same thing you do, you have a lot in common. Surprising, huh?
It looks like it, huh? Gotcha. So I have no idea where I want the battery, otherwise I would have put something to...
We already got water in there. I got a little too cocky trying to get a clear floor and all that. But I think it'll be okay. I don't really care. It's not going to sink. It's made out of styrofoam.
We're getting wet.
Yeah. Yeah, it's...
Are you kidding? She looks so much better. I love the inside. That's fantastic.
Battery back here. And an electric motor from like a fishing boat.
Where did that come from?
Which?
Where did the water come from?
Oh, there's a hole somewhere. This is the first time I've had it in the water.
Oh,
And so
gotcha.
I'm finding out the hard way.
It's really
That's beautiful inlay you did there.
Yeah.
It looks like it, huh?
Oh, does it? What is it?
It's-
Oh, that's. Is it?
I just taped off the stain, yeah.
Are you kidding me?
Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. It all looks like it's
That
well
is
made and cheap.
genius.
It's not as good as it looks.
No. Hey, it looks good. Like it looks good.
Yeah.
Go to a Chinese restaurant and get a little go box.
Yeah.
Open it up to moisture in. Same idea. Moisture out.
Classic.
Boat that we just created. It looks cool. Just to see how it works.
If you're gonna sink, you might as well look cool sinking.
Absolutely, man.
First time, you don't know what to expect. Feels a little tippy already.
You need oars?
No, hopefully not.
So this is going to be testing the electrical too. I don't know about this homemade throttle thing. So here we go.
That was an exciting moment. This is what happens when you launch your boat. You're not quite sure what's going to happen.
Yeah, it's always sketchy because as soon as you cut the throttle, you have no more steering. Okay, so you can see through the bottom, which is cool. My throttle seems to be like acting up a little loose, and it tips a lot, and I'm probably gonna hit the ground here. I've run aground here. If you could even just push me out, like nudge me from the back, maybe.
I can't.
No? Okay.
Just use that.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right, here we go. Now we're cruising. Oh, what an S show. Oh, it's kind of cool. I'm hitting the throttle with my leg and it's cutting out, so I don't know where the disconnect is, but as long as the steering works and the throttle works at least intermittently. The clear floor was not really worth the hassle, I don't think. I'm trying to get my leg hit the throttle and it just cut out. So something about pushing it that way is disconnecting it.
Pretty well versed now. How to get in those.
Yeah.
There's just this little hand on the dock. Perfect height.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, there you go.
There it is.
Woo.
Yeah, you got to keep your hat on with that speed. Tie it on. Looks like my water line wasn't that high after all. The wave that it causes along the side goes higher than I expected.
It's a little delayed reaction.
As far as throttle or steering?
Steering.
Oh, yeah. There was 4 speeds and now it's kind of sporadic.
Just getting the feel of it.
Yeah. Gets a little hairy when you're trying to dock for sure.
Yeah.
Means a lot from you.
It's really cool. I'm gonna do a little.
Yeah. Reversing it, putting it through the paces. Yeah. Give it all you got. Who is that riding my boat? The superhero pattern does not translate from a distance at all. It looks like camouflage, kind of. Hear him?
Love your steering wheel though. That's
Yeah.
amazing.
Partially necessity.
Right.
It's so hard to cut a circle. if I wouldn't have gone with the clear floor, I probably wouldn't have any leaks.
I think you were balanced pretty well though.
Yeah. Yeah, I think part of it was letting go of the dock and having it tip and then overreacting to try to pull it back under control.
How's it doing? Has you got a big puddle going on?
Yeah, it's puddling up pretty good.
Yeah.
And that's not from me being scared either.
It's not yellow, but
Yeah. Yeah.
Well, I'm going to slap together my boat.
Yeah, and then I'll film you. I don't know if we'll be able to muster together a ride, but I think once you're going, I'll hop back in here and see what we can do.
It'll be a while. Like I said, it takes about 12, 15 minutes to slap together. So.
Yeah, maybe I'll be able to dry my pants off in that long. Kind of funny, my most recent build leaks the most out of any boat I've had yet. I don't know if I punched a hole in the bottom or we'll have to pull it out to see. I sped this part of the video up because not only did it take a little while, but I could not stop asking Paul questions about his life, his YouTube channel, his journeys to Burning Man, his builds, and his life perspective on lots of different things. So I apologize for cutting all that out, but it deserves its whole own video, and it would have just drug this one out forever. But just know that it was a pretty great time. The weather was getting better, the wind was dying down, and it was actually just a lot of fun. Put together too. I don't have to see the process. Okay. I'm so jealous of you that you know you're not gonna leak, and I'm over here like, how long do I have?
Where is this water coming from?
You got water? No way. Is it a lot?
It's a bit.
That's awesome, because that makes me feel a little better. You got some in the... Oh, yeah. Maybe it's... Oh, jeez.
I don't know.
Did you find it?
Oh, here it is. That crack
big old
happened right
crack.
there.
Yeah.
Did it go all the way through with that though?
It could have been going through the whole flute and then coming in somewhere else. Well, should we try to get a 10-minute ride and call it a day?
Yeah, I got...
I know I'm going to sink of it. Yeah, yours won't float when it's full of water. I think mine will. Yeah. Yeah. I'm definitely filming this in case you take a dip. I wonder if my little accident was on film. That would be fun.
I don't know. It may have.
We're not so different, you and I.
No. No. Boating is hazardous, ladies and gentlemen.
Yes.
Here we go.
There you go. Throttle up. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh. That was a hard crash. Okay. Woo. It's just a little bit of this fell off. Yeah. Oh, I'm trying not to hit you there. Sorry, I got one hand here. Yeah. Trying to go a little slower. There we go.
Now that's a nice looking boat, even though it doesn't, you know, it's got a few little quirks.
Yeah.
You can just goop the crap out of it.
Yeah.
It'll work.
And it's getting beat up today already, but that's okay.
Can you see down in the water though?
Yeah. It's when I stop, I can kind of see the ground a little better. But most of the time, it just kind of looks like green. Got quite a long checklist of things to fix for the next ride. But after you get going like this, it's just pretty easy sailing, as it were. Okay, push her down.
Yeah.
All right, let's see if that helps. Oh, you already hit ground there? Oh, there's some big rocks. Whoa. Whoa. Just barely missed it. See ya, Paul.
See ya.
You're on your own. Wonder if I could borrow your little pirate knife there. I'm gonna poke a hole in my boat and drain it. Thanks. Feel like maybe right about there I can make a hole or two without it being in the splash zone. Then I can turn the boat around and see if it'll drain out. Yeah, imagine that. Yeah, I'm done with the knife. Yeah, thanks. Paul and I had such an awesome time on this boat cruise that we've decided to do our darndest to make happen a mini boat jamboree Pacific Northwest chapter. If you or anyone you know lives within driving distance and would like to join us with your own boat, let us know in the YouTube comments on either one of our channels and we'll get it going. And if you're within flying distance, we'll probably have around 6 boats between the both of us, and we can figure out a way to have you pilot one of those boats while we chill and talk about all things boating. So look for that kind of stuff in the future. I appreciate you watching, and thanks to Paul Elkins. He confirmed that a group of boats can be called an Elkins, and he has our blessing. And until next time, go build a boat.